Hey guys, Dave here with Factory 5 Racing. We're here again to take a look at some of our awesome interior options. Now this package here is our leather Roadster interior package. So we'll start with the seat here. You'll notice this is just like our other Roadster seats. It uses the same frame as the other Roadster seats, like the vinyl and the diamond stitch, just with this really nice leather cover on it. You'll notice this is stitched in kind of this pleated pattern, so it does look very nice in the interior. It gives you a real classy look, and the materials feel fantastic. So if you're a fan of a leather interior, this is a great seat option for you. Now to match that seat, we wanted to make a door panel to kind of fit. So this is our pocketed, stitched leather door panel. This will also have the same stitching pattern as the seats, so they match great next to each other. It does give you a little bit of extra storage for your Roadster, whether it's your phone or your registration. It's a good spot to store some stuff. Finally, what I have here is our leather shift boot and e-brake boot option. The shift boot here will come with your trim rings and hardware, so will the e-brake boot. The shifter boot will work with any of the Factory 5 shifter options, so you've got some good compatibility there. The e-brake boot is compatible with the Mark V e-brake system because it's on the tunnel. These are both made by Vanson Leathers. They're a fantastic company based here in Fall River, Massachusetts, and they've been making leather products forever, so they're a super high quality part. And we've been partnering with them since the 30th anniversary package, so those are a really, really nice piece. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing interior or just start your build off strong, the Roadster leather interior package is a great addition to any build. So if you have any questions, give the office a call or shoot us an email and we're happy to help.